Have you been annoyed by the JPEG Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze JPEG Imaging Library, independent group, dependency, and restore that missing file. I recommend the automated system scan for JPEG Library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the JPEG Library, an implementation of the standard JPEG Image Library. It provides the discrete cosine transform, DCT, and Huffman coding routines needed to decompress photographic assets in games and desktop apps. It is a common dependency for open-source image editors. Missing Jpeglib.dll results in broken textures or missing icons in the software interface, citing JPEG error, module load failure. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Errors related to JPEG Library DLL often mean the internal JPEG Imaging Library, independent group, configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with JPEG library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Remember that JPEG Library DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. One approach to reviewing JPEG library references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing JPEG library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.